Hey guys, 406 Pokemaster here. We got, can't resist guys, more Crown Zenith. And to top it off here, I can't resist, we got the Galarian Bird Tins. Let's open them. Well, boom, here we go guys. First thing, we got another code card. As you know, all my openings will have code cards from here on out. Hopefully I can do giveaways for these ETBs, tins, so on and so forth. But what we're going to do today is more Crown Zenith. And I just cannot resist with these tins. Just awesome. Whoop. 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 Haha. Could not resist with the tins. Awesome. Saw the art on the card and just so cool. Alright, so each one of these has a Florida promo card, 5 Crown Zenith packs, and a code card. So let's get these guys opened. So first, right off that bat, that Galarian Moltres card is so sweet. Okay. 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 Here we go. So, oh, well. Let's go. Let's get these out of here. Okay. Of course, get that right into that sleeve. Just a cool card in general. So we got 5 Crown Zenith. We're going to separate these out to see kind of which tin got the best or if the ETB beat them all. So there's Galarian Moltres. Look at that Articuno. Honestly, I think they did good with these Galarian birds. They look pretty awesome. It's a beautiful card. Okay. And of course, just pretty. But I'm just gonna leave that there if you need to do your thing, but beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Whew. Hey, now, easy. Okay. So, these ones are from Articuno. Keep these kind of in order here. And now, we got that Galarian Zapdos. So sweet. If you guys haven't yet, please, please, please like and subscribe. I would love to be able to get to the point where I could do tons of freebies. Because, man, everyone deserves some Pokemon. So I have a 3 Galarian. Probably Galarian Zapdos isn't my favorite. I do like the Articuno and the Moltres. Pretty awesome, but hey. Okay, so got that, and then we got the 10 from the ETB. So let's go ahead, hit that Crown Zenith again. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Let's see what we can do. I've hit already 2 of the big 4. Hit the, oh, what did I get? I got the Palkia and a Glaceon V and the Arceus and reverse Lunatone. Okay. Well, so far, not too shabby. We're gonna Galarian Moltres 10. Each one of those tins are $25. Personally, you know, if I don't have a card, it's always worth it to me. So but is it worth it to you? All right. A run, toss, seal, oddish. Ooh, what? Yeah, it's not one of the textured ones, but it's holofoil. Nothing too crazy for those guys, so I'm not gonna even sit there and mess with that. Okay. Duo. Let's see it. Hurt line. Coffee. Bidoof. Oh, sweet. And Tapu Lele. Oh, that's cool. I do not have this Lunatone yet. Oh, goodness. These are flying this evening. Cool. So far, two I don't have, so that's awesome. That's kind of cool. It has the will be in the lady one in there too. That's cool. Okay. Oh, phew. Friends of Hisugi. Hollow. Reverse hollow. Okay. Last of Galarian Moltres. So here we go. Let's go ahead and make that happen. Whee! Alright. Rock. Yep, grab two, but reverse Entei. That's cool. Days the Bam. Okay, well, we got two new ones, at least for me, in there for the Galarian Gallery, that Glaceon V. That's cool. Put that with that guy. We're going to move on to the Articuno. And if you can see those Pokeballs in the background, those will be coming out in some future videos. Saw them. I don't know which packs are in there, so it's always kind of cool to not exactly know what you got. Hopefully some good ones. Yeah, reverse Luxio. Okay. Nothing too big yet. If you can see that, you get that. So dang. Dusclops. So cute. Switch. Ruby. Oh, sweet. And the textured metal energy. Awesome. Well, that was a good one. Cool. Haven't gotten any of the textured energy yet, but gotta love Rio though. Well, cool. You're doing good there so far on one pack being a solid winner here. Okay. Luxio. Energy Surge. Orpheus. Potion. Reverse Luxio. Oh, and the Rotom, the star. That's silver. Oh, cool. Heck yeah. So far, I want to say Articuno 10 is winning on this one here. Let's go. Unitone, Sharp, Candy, Shinx, Choo-Choo, Meowth, Baltoy, Jingla, hey, Hop, and you got Reverse. I believe I only, that's cool. Alright, and last for the Articuno. If you've had any pretty awesome pulls lately, put in the comments, let me know. I always love to see other people's luck, because sometimes mine is dead in the water. Okay. Care, Carnival, Starly, Truvy, Goose, Young, Scyther, and Leafeon V-Star. Heck yeah. I did get one of these guys already, but I love it. Well, I'm gonna have to say that Articuno pack kind of blew the Moltres pack, or tin, excuse me, out of the water there. So, let's see if that Zapdos, even though he's not my favorite one, let's see if he's got some magic left. Yeah, you know what? Why not? Why not? See that? See that? Make it happen. Okay. Nope. I'll shake today. Reverse Helioptile. Okay. Right. I think I saw something there.
Whoa!
Tang. Elmer, Pokeball, Baltoy. Hey, Zenith V-Star. Awesome. Cool, cool. And the Baltoy reverse. Nice. All the ones I do not have. Well, this has been pretty good. Let's keep her going. Okay. That V-Star out of the way. Oh, heck yeah. Sweet Coon. Galarian Gallery. That is a beautiful card. I love seeing the actual cards. Man, absolutely beautiful. Okay. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, well, you kind of probably should. The Crown Zenith has been phenomenal for me compared to some others. Just beautiful. Okay. Let's see what else we can do. We still got a bit to go. Sharp Traveler. Catcher. Little Snow Run. Tangle. Bolt. Ah, sweet. Hey, and there's a Rude. Hollow. Okay. Cool, cool. Barrel. Alright, that's awesome. Got love with a little Bidoof on there. Our Lord and Savior. Okay. Ooh. Well, for new ones, Zapdos might be the one to be Okay. So, I'm interesting how some of these cards just feel like they might be a little bit more than what they are. Alright. And hey, I don't know if it's all over the place for Target, because that's where I just got these guys. But they're saying that I might be jumping up the prices next week. But hey, that's here. Might just be my Target. Don't know. But hey, that Zapdos got some pretty sweet cards out of there. And it's going to be tough, but I think the Articuno and Zapdos definitely blowing out of the water compared to that Moltres card. 10. You can't win all of them. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You got the ETB. Let's see if that does anything. Of course, got that Lucario card back there. It's the promo. All the ETBs. I love it. But hey, gotta love Lucario. Hey, full Tusk. Oh, and Zacian. Hello. Okay. Well, another thing Galarian I don't have, so I'll take it. Let's go. All right. Oh man. Oh, 2 Leafeon V-Stars in the same pack. That is too sweet. That was that was a good pack. Okay. Well, UTV's kind of coming on fire here. Alrighty, so yeah. Okay. Let's get one of these guys in here. Well, it's got a V-Star card. Let's see if that brings some luck. Alright. Yeah, reverse Bidoof. Orangoro. Okay. All of them can be awesome. But act natural. Watch out. Wow. Alright. Oh man, Palkia V-Star. Heck yes. Well, I do have this one already. That's so sick. So if someone has a Dialga V-Star wanting to do a trade, I would be up for it. Like Giratina, I mean, if you really want to, but ooh, boy, that's pretty. Heck yeah. Well, sorry, Tins, for that ATV. Oh. Which, I did see something earlier. Someone's like, well, have you guys gotten better pulls from ETBs or the Tins? Well, personally, I mean, I've gotten one of the God cards in kind of the mini Tins, but I've gotten 2 now from the ETBs. So, Oh, it's such a hard choice. I mean, I'm kind of gonna have to go. I think I'm gonna have to go with the ETB if this keeps coming like this. This fire. Yeah, that Palkia V-Star is awesome. Beautiful card. Phenomenal. Okay. True V-Starly. Cute. Hey, Flarbadoof and Bay. This would be a, I don't know. Flarbadoof though. Can't go wrong there. Okay. Alright. Danger. Whoa. Shaman. Crushing Hammer. Coughing. Purloin. Groovin. Reverse Lycan Rock. Hey! It's HND. That's cool. I don't believe I have that one yet either. So I wasn't going to get any more Crown Zenith. And then Lydia Target's like, yeah, you know, next week they're going to be going up. So we must get something like, yep. Yeah, kind of pulled my leg there, lady. And anyway, okay with it now. So far, it's been a good one. Okay. Reverse sleep art. Okay. By the time I was gonna do those Pokemons back there, but you know, I think I'll just let Crown Zenith kind of speak for itself here. It's beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay. Talk to Mr. Mom. I shall come to this blossom warlord. Last pack here. Let's see if we can get something beautiful. Well, let's go. It's usually though. Hey, Latias, Rona. Okay. Okay. Well. Huh. Well, that's a cool card. I didn't believe I have that one either. So that is sweet. Okay. Well, kinda gotta say, I mean, that's Zacian V, Doof, Latias, Leafeon V, both Leafeon V stars here, Duskull. Of course, you get that Lucario V star because it's given for the ETBs, and I got that Palkia V star. Well, that was a phenomenal ETB. I mean, I've had ETBs where it's definitely not like this, so I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to decide. But personally, it seems like I've been having some pretty good luck with these ETBs, at least for the Crown Zenith. But I've seen people with that Pikachu VMAX box have pretty good luck. But hey. Alrighty, guys, gonna wrap this up here. Great pull today. Honestly, wasn't expecting to get these cards today, but I'm glad I did. Got some pretty sweet ones here. Please always like and subscribe. And you know what? Just in case you stay to the end, there you go. Out of here. Alrighty, guys. Well, hope you have a good rest of your Pokemon hunting, and I'll see you later. For us, Pokemaster out.